Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what proves travel: passport stamps, tickets, bookings, and receipts. Once gathered, open a simple timeline template in a spreadsheet so you can enter items chronologically. You do this now because raw documents are hard to read. Structured rows make verification simple. Make sure to create columns for date, location, transport, accommodation, and evidence link. Begin entering the earliest trip day first. Keep file names consistent so evidence links match each row for easy review later. Next, you flesh out the timeline with precise details that matter for any authority or record. Add times and exact localities, city names, airport codes, and country to remove ambiguity. Then attach supporting files, scans of boarding passes, screenshots of booking pages, and credit card charges that confirm dates. You should also write a one-line purpose next to each entry so a reviewer sees why you were there. Once done, sort by date and check for overlaps or gaps that need clarification. To finish, proofread every row and standardize formats. Use ISO dates and consistent location names, then export the file to PDF so it won't change. You should sign and date the document where required and save copies to cloud storage plus an encrypted local backup for safety. If something goes wrong, like a missing passport stamp, don't panic. Pull flight tickets, hotel confirmations, credit card timestamps, or phone GPS data as corroborating evidence. Include a short note explaining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.